Hi, how's it going? I'm Joe from Express Spares. Today we're going to be looking at the Kia and Hyundai automatic clutch kit. This is a DDC, which stands for a dual dry clutch. So here is the clutch module. This right here is a spline hub. The spline hub will sit directly underneath inside in here for the clutch. Then also included is the bearing, the selector fork, and there is two rings. This would be the circlip and this would be the snap ring. So the bearing is actually two bearings. There's the internal bearing, the external bearing, and the guide sleeve. Now there are special tools required to fit these into the Hyundais and the Kias. Both the clutch kit and the tools are available from Express Spares, and you can check them out on their website drivetrain.ie.